Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Convert the units 19 liters to dash kiloliters. We know 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 kiloliters. Therefore, 19 liters will be equal to 19 by 1000 kiloliters. Now, to convert this, we can simply write we have 19.0 here. So, when we divide by power of 10, we simply move this decimal point 3 digits to the right because there are 3 zeros in the denominator. But there is no digit here, so we assume a 0 and this will be our conversion. So we have 0.019 kiloliters conversion. This is the answer.